Good morning, Hornets. We made it to Friday here at VCHS. We're your host, Brayden.
And I'm Brayden. Let's start with today's lunch. Today we will be having crispy chicken sand chips, baked beans, lettuce and tomato, baby carrots, grapes, and of course a cold milk. While we're on the topic of food, let's see what some of our Hornets' favorite cookies are.
My name's Jackson Licken, and my favorite cookie has to be the chocolate chip cookies from Costco, dude. Oh my.
Hi, my name is Nigel, and my favorite cookie is chocolate chip cookie.
My name is Kaden Davis, and my favorite cookie is oatmeal raisin.
My name is Preston Cook, and my favorite cookie is white chocolate macadamia nut.
My name is Miguel Herrera, and my favorite cookie is chocolate chip.
Hey, my name's Ryan, and my favorite cookie is probably red velvet.
My name is Rylan Wyatt, and I like chocolate chip cookies.
Alright, my name is Mason Robles, and my favorite cookie is the OG chocolate chip.
My name's Jesus Perez, and I like sugar cookies.
My name's Javier, and my favorite cookie is chocolate chip.
Hello, my name is Adler Andrew Kuntz, and my favorite cookie is like the Walmart frosted sugar cookies.
I'm Eli, and my favorite cookie is red velvet cookies.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
So guys, my name's Ethan Alley, and this is your top 5 news stories. Number 1, fake sheriff's office officials try to scam Kansas. U.S. retail's sale plummeted in January. Damn Jam Music Festival moving to Winfield Fairgrounds for 2025. IRS laying of thousands as tax season ramps up. Sheryl Crow tells Tesla to donate sale proceeds to National Public Radio. Have a good day, Hornets.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is vindicate. Clear of blame or suspicion.
Well done is better than well said. Benjamin Franklin.
As we just had our Tri-County game, we decided to check in with the head coach as well as what's coming up for the next team.
Hi, I'm Kendra Jansen. I'm the coach of the Tri-County basketball team here at the high school. We have our big game on Friday as part of the homecoming festivities. The whole school should be coming out to watch. We love the support. I've sent emails to all the teachers with rosters from both teams. I know students are already busy making signs for both teams. We love the support. Remember to be positive and encouraging of all the students playing. They're doing the best they can. It's a great time. I know it's lots of people's favorite day of the school year, so come out and enjoy yourself. After that, we've got a home game on the 21st, but we're taking it down to the middle school to spread some of the joy down there. Then we end up our season with a day-long tournament in March. So we're looking forward to it. We've won 2 games in a row. We're looking to win a third this week on Friday, and hope to see you all there. Thanks.
Hornets, it's finally Friday.
A lot more sun out today. Let's take a look at today's temperatures.
What's up, guys? My name is Lena Hickey, and the high for today is going to be 70 degrees, and the low is going to be 38.
Now it's time for a quick blast of the past. We review this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
February 28, 1953. In Britain, scientists say they've found the double helix structure of DNA, the molecule that contains the human genes. Years later, Francis Crick describes the discovery that he and fellow scientist James Watson made.
Biological systems are the result of evolution, and they produce very complicated things. Now, the reason that DNA looks so beautiful and simple is it goes right back to near the origins of life.
1993, start of an armed standoff at the Branch Davidian compound in Waco, Texas. Federal agents try to arrest religious leader David Koresh for stockpiling guns and explosives. That sparks a shootout which kills 4 agents and 6 of Koresh's Davidian followers. The standoff ends 51 days later when the compound burns to the ground, killing nearly 80 people. 1986, Sweden's Prime Minister Olof Palme is shot to death in central Stockholm. His murder remains unsolved. And 1983.
All is quiet on New Year's Day.
Rock group U2 releases its War album. Among the tracks, New Year's Day and Sunday Bloody Sunday. Today in history, February 28th. Sandy Kozel, The Associated Press.